Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making Ghana's most popular snack called a Bofrot or Puffpuff. So come along and let's get right into this simple and easy recipe. Today I'll be using some bread flour, but all-purpose flour will work as well. I have here some grated nutmeg. I'm going to add my yeast to my flour. Add some sugar, some baking powder, and then go ahead and add a pinch of salt, about a quarter teaspoon. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients together, making sure that my yeast does not touch my salt directly. The salts can kill your yeast when they come into direct contact with each other. Next, you are going to go ahead and add your water, but I would advise you add your water gradually until you achieve the perfect consistency. I am using bread flour in this recipe, and bread flour takes more water. So if you are using all-purpose flour, you might want to adjust your water accordingly. After adding your water, continue mixing until your batter becomes very smooth and stretchy. This process will make your Bofrot very light and soft. So if you follow the recipe correctly, your batter should now be looking something like this, very stretchy and smooth, and not too light and not too thick either, for the softest of Bofrot. Now I'm going to go ahead, clean the sides of my bowl, cover this with some plastic wrap, and allow this to rise until doubled in size. Depending on how warm your kitchen is, this might take somewhere from 45 minutes even up to 2 hours until your dough becomes like this. It is really important that you give your batter time to rise and double in size. If not, your Bofrot is going to become very hard after you fry it. To prevent the batter from sticking to my hands, I'm going to wet my hand and then go in the batter to knock out some of the air. And as you can see, the batter is very stretchy, very soft, and you can see that the yeast has done its work. So now we are going to go ahead and fry. So to fry the Bofrot, you are going to scoop some of the batter into your hand. You throw and catch it back, and that smoothens the outer skin of your Bofrot. You then cut it with your little finger. Or you can scoop some of the batter, you throw it and catch it back to smoothen it, and then drop it upside down and then cut it with your thumb into your oil, just like this. Or just like we did in our donuts video, you are going to scoop some of the batter and then push it into the oil with your thumb. It will still come out very nice. So in the meantime, I have heated up some oil and I'm going to go ahead and drop in my Bofrot. Now go ahead and move your Bofrot around until they are all evenly browned. I am cooking my Bofrot on a medium-low heat so that it can take its time to brown on the outside whilst it cooks perfectly on the inside. Once your Bofrot has reached your preferred brownness, you are going to go ahead and scoop them out of your oil and allow them to rest on a paper towel to catch some of the excess oil. And now just look at how beautiful and golden our Bofrot came out. This recipe is a no-fail recipe. You can use it over and over and over again and the results are going to be the same each and every single time. I know you probably have all the ingredients in your kitchen right now, so go ahead and try this lovely recipe. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So fry these Bofrots with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.